In France, on a hot summer day, thousands of birds gather at water reservoirs to quench their thirst. Unsuspecting pigeons begin their water procedures. And underwater hunters quickly pick up the vibrations of the water, their sensory receptors telling them to eat. Sneaking up to the water's edge, the carnage begins. Of course, not every attack is successful. But every third attack is successful. In shallow waters in summer, the diet of catfish hunters consists of 80% pigeons.